Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowboard boots that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Snowboard Boots. It is a hold system containing 360 heel. The heels attract many people as it is the source of the boot attraction. Besides, it has a TF1 liner, which is useful in ensuring one is comfortability while wearing the shoe. Additionally, it has an ultra-light outsole. The sole helps one move with a lot of ease. Besides, its sole is long-lasting, thus making the boot to serve one for long. It is a boot worth buying. Moving on at number 4, we have the Thirtytwo Bea Women's Snowboard Boots. It is a boost worth buying. It has a very long-lasting evolution foam outsole. Therefore, it lasts for long, giving one adequate service. Besides, it has a BOA dual closure system, which ensures one gets enough warmth, especially during rainy and winter seasons. Additionally, it has an internal lace system, which is useful in giving people comfortability. You must desire to buy a boot, which is the comfortability, and therefore this is the best choice for you. At number 3, we have the Thirtytwo STW Bea Women's Snowboard Boots. It is a boot which is containing the BOA closure system. Therefore, it will last for long, thus giving you quality and dependable services. As a result, it is cost-effective. Furthermore, the boot has an evolution foam outsole. It is therefore easy to walk and also very comfortable. More also, it has a 3D molded tongue, which ensures that the shoe fits comfortably in all people's kind of shoes. At number 2, we have the Burton Mint Bea Snowboard Boots Women's. The boot has lacing, which has been done by butting into place coiler technology. The powering of the shoes is under the work of New England ropes. Additionally, it has snow internal proof gusset containing total comfortability construction. More also, it has sleeping bag cushioning with reflective foil. Furthermore, it has a true specific fit design. And finally at number 1, we have the DC Women's Bea Surge Snowboard Boots. It is a boot made by the use of synthetic material. As a result, it lasts longer, giving one maximum service. As a result, one saves on money which would have been used in buying new boots often. Besides, it is imported. In case the boot is in store, it will be introduced when you make an order. Importation assures one of 100% availability of the boot. It also has a red liner, which adds on its uniqueness and beauty. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.